Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GT Black Series. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. That looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. Okay, let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Alright, the spoiler looks good. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No scratches here, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door is in perfect condition. No scratches here, no dents. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. Now we're going to start off with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.